Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the simple electric circuit with the help of this drawing. An electric circuit is a closed path through which electric current flows. In this diagram, you can see the main parts of an electric circuit. First, let us look at the battery. The battery is the source of electrical energy in this circuit. It provides the power needed for the circuit to work. A battery has two terminals. One is positive terminal and the other is negative terminal. Electric current starts flowing from the battery and moves through the circuit. Next, we can see the connecting wires. These wires connect all the parts of the circuit together. They help the electric current flow from one component to another. Without wires, the electric circuit cannot be completed. Now, look at the electric bulb. The bulb is an electrical device that converts electrical energy into light energy. Students, draw with me step by step. Inside the bulb, there is a very thin wire called the filament. When electric current passes through this filament, it becomes hot. I am drawing this is called filament, and because of this heat, the bulb starts glowing and producing light. Now let us talk about the switch in this circuit. The switch is used to control the flow of electric current. When the switch is closed, the circuit becomes complete. Electric current flows from the battery to the connecting wires and finally reaches the bulb. Because of this, the bulb glows and produces light. But when the switch is open, the circuit becomes incomplete. Electric current cannot flow through the circuit, so the bulb does not glow. Therefore, we can say that a simple electric circuit mainly consists of a battery, a connecting wires, a bulb, and a switch. All these components work together to allow electric current to flow in a closed path. Electric circuits are very important in our daily life. They are used in many electrical devices such as torches, electric lamps, fans, televisions, and many other appliances. Without electric circuits, these devices cannot work. So students, this is a simple electric circuit diagram, and it helps us understand how electric flows in the circuit.